In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Wikipedia page. So first thing what you want to do is go to the wikipedia.org, and here you want to select whatever language you want to create in. And once you get inside Wikipedia, you want to create an account. Now once you click on create account, go here and fill up all the details. So now that you can see I am inside my Wikipedia account. So what you want to do is go here, click on profile and click on Sandbox. Now before you click on Sandbox, this is where you edit or add a page. You want to go to the preferences. Now once you go to the preferences, you want to go to the editing, and here you want to go here and turn this editing mode to show me both editor tabs. Alright, now that we have done the changes, what you want to do is click on your profile option and go to the Sandbox. Now once you're inside Sandbox, this is the dashboard which appears as if you're in a WordPress. Now since we have turned on the switch to both editors, now I am inside visual editing. Now at the beginning you might see this, but once you click here, click on, now you have two options to change between editors. Now source editing is something like, if you're familiar with HTML, then it's easy for you. It gives you more advantage when you know the coding on HTML. So if you're WordPress blogger just like me, you want to click on visual editing. So it just gives you all the tools, H1, H2 subheading, and also bold, italic. So it's just gonna give you all the options just like WordPress. Now once you're inside this editor, you can go ahead and add your blog content or whatever content you want to publish to Wikipedia. Now keep in mind, Wikipedia needs a strong external sources and high tier domains, fact checks and real-time data in order to your content to get published. Their moderators go through every single thing, they read and fact check every single thing. That is why it is hard for you to rank on Wikipedia page if you do not have the authority sources and correct sources. For that reason, I'm going to use Arvow AI SEO writer that auto publishes to your blog. Not only that, it has a lot of features. So once I'm inside dashboard, you'll find so many options. So let me just show you and walk you through. So we have SEO article writer. So you put a keyword, you get a whole entire article generated by AI. We have this AI news article which we're gonna use. Okay. So and then we have Amazon single product review and then YouTube blog post. So for this reason, we're gonna use AI news article. Now let's just say I want to write a Wikipedia page about Elon Musk. So what I want to do is I simply hit search query, enter the keyword Elon Musk and search for story. Now what Arvow does is it will pull up all the stories and news articles related to Elon Musk, the search query, which is Elon Musk in the United States target country in the past week. And I can also exclude websites or include websites, and it's gonna pull up the recent stories in the past weeks, which will be from strong external sources, okay, which will be fact checked and real time data. So now you can see we have got all the stories which are happened in the past week on the search query. So what we can do is we can click on add any of this. So let me just go here and click on add and click on add articles, and it will be added to the queue where we can further generate an article using an entire AI SEO writer. Now that we have this article in the waitlist, so I simply click on generate article. So now that we got the article generated by AI SEO writer Arvow, and what I can do is I can simply click on the show full page, and here I'm going to fact check, and we even got the sources, and let's look at everything is okay. So I can see a lot of internal and external link missing right here. So I'm just going to go to the AI assistant and here add an external links. So I'm just going to hit enter. So this AI has editor to edit this whole article. I can help with that. Please provide me with the external links you would like to add to article. Go automatic. It is asking me to manually enter external links, so I'm just going to tell it go automatic and external links. So once we are done with editing, what I can do is I can simply copy this in an entire article. So come here, or I can directly publish to WordPress. So let me just copy this entire article and go here and come to the Wikipedia page and paste the whole article by myself. Now let me just remove the space. So let me just copy the title of the article, which is generated by an AI, and I'm just gonna paste it right here. So Elon Musk unveils ambitious Mars colonization plan, Starship targets a red planet by 2026. And then we have this citations, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this as a ref sources and make it as bold heading. So we have this So as you can see, it is not internal link. So what I can do is I can go back, come here and copy this link address and come back and select this and come here, click on this and okay, click on link and paste the whole link right here, click on done. So that's it. So here what we're going to do is, since this is citation in March by 2026, and once we are done with every single thing, come back and click on publish page. And you have to, every time when you publish a page or make any changes, you have to describe what you have done, just to keep revisions and also, versions of various, the time versions, just like a GitHub, if you know. And I'm just gonna, type it here, wrote an entire blog. This is first version. Just give a comment. You can literally comment anything and click on publish page. Now watch this page. You can also select this if you want to, make any changes or, make it permanent. So let me just go here and add a captcha. And then that's it. Just like that, we have an article inside Wikipedia. But keep in mind, this is just a sandbox. In order to push it to the main page, you have to do something else. So what you need to do is, you need to wait for 4 days if you create a new account. So since I have created this account today, so I just have to wait 4 days. Okay, so that's just a minimum requirement from Wikipedia itself. And then you have to make at least 10 successful edits on some other blogs. So you have to go to Wikipedia and go to, one of the articles and fact check and edit, make some contributions, at least 10 contributions in order to push it to the main page. And once you have done, once you contributed up to 10, what you can do is you can, go to the, and somewhere here, you will get an option called move to main page. And then you can simply submit and it will be moved to the main page. And keep in mind, this article, the content you write, has to be fact checked and real time, because Wikipedia is just a reliable source for many people, millions of users. So it follows a strict policy of fact checking and real time data. So which is why you need to be good at this. You can also hire if you want someone to write a Wikipedia page. So with that being said, the link to this tool will be in a description. Make sure to check that out. Catch you on the next.